Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. It's an honor to come your way again. Hope you all are doing well. If today is your first time here, you are welcome to this family, and to my old returning subscribers, thank you for always being with me. Today's video we are making Ghana condensed milk toffee, and with this I need some condensed milk, butter and half teaspoon of nutmeg. So in my pan, I'm going to pour the condensed milk. I will add my nutmeg and also add the butter. And I will stir it on a medium heat. So we are going to stir this until we get that beautiful brown color that we want. So please stay tuned. Guys, as you can see, the condensed toffee is almost ready, and the color too is changing into the brown golden color that I want. And once it is ready, I will just take it off from the fire and start rolling. It's time for rolling the toffee. Rub some butter on the board before rolling it, and this is very hot, so when rolling you have to be very fast so that the toffee doesn't become very hard. So this is how I did it for all the condensed toffee, and after that I cut them into the desirable shape that I want. So any shape you want, you can cut your condensed toffee. So please stay tuned, enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.